Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to insert an emoji using Dictation on iPhone in iOS 16. Let's have a look. First, open Messages, Notes, Twitter, WhatsApp or any app where you can use the keyboard. Compose a new message or you can use any conversation. Tap the dictation button from the bottom right of the keyboard. You can also tap the dictation button in the messages app typing box. For the first time, tap enable dictation. Now type your message that you would like to send. Tap dictation button from the bottom right of the keyboard and say the emoji name like smiling emoji. Your iPhone will automatically insert smiling emoji. This will replace the smiling emoji with an actual emoji. Say the emoji name and it will start insert actual emoji. So these are the steps to insert an emoji using Dictation on iPhone in iOS 16. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.